We're sitting on a massive financial time bomb. A staggering 21,000 crore liquidity heist is unfolding in the Indian banking sector. Digital India boasts 16 billion monthly UPI transactions. But behind the facade, banks face 4,400 cyberattacks every single day. The financial hemorrhage is real. Fraud skyrocketed 700%, hitting 21,000 crore rupees lost in just 6 months. We run a high-speed train on a 19th century bridge. This ancient infrastructure caused 47 hours of downtime across banks in just 1 month. To these institutions, your retail deposits are just unsecured loans. They prioritize user growth over security budgets to pump up stock prices. The biggest barrier: legacy systems. Poor banking software from the 90s is suffocating under modern UPI loads. Because everything is centralized, one hit creates a massive casualty radius. A single ransomware attack crippled ATMs for over 300 small banks. To boost metrics, banks allow phantom accounts, acting as transit pipes to launder stolen money to overseas scam compounds. Amazingly, 69% of bankers fear migrating to new technology more than actually getting hacked. They operate as blind giants. Over half of banks suffer from data silos, meaning the savings department cannot see the credit card fraud happening. When scammed, they blame you for sharing an OTP. Meanwhile, audits reveal banks leave their own BIOS passwords totally unsecured. Scammers use AI voice cloning to bypass security, but only 32% of banks use AI to fight back. When breaches happen, banks try hiding the bodies. Major institutions get fined just for delaying cyber incident reports to control the narrative. But regulatory penalties are absolute peanuts. A tiny fine is simply a subscription fee for the right to remain negligent. Security rules are just paper shields. Operational resilience guidelines are basically suggestions with absolutely no fixed timeline for compliance. If you fight back, you hit a bureaucratic maze. The exhausting process is the punishment, designed so you simply give up. Security is a luxury product. Wealthy clients get air gap protection, while retail banking runs on toxic, exposed public rails. Ultimately, you pay for their robberies. Banks absorb fraud losses by hiking transaction fees and lowering your savings interest rates. Open banking means your data flows through more pipes, creating new endpoints and unauthorized access opportunities. The zero-fee UPI mandate starves banks, so they slash maintenance. Zero fees literally equals zero security investment. The true chaos is just arriving. 93% of banks must migrate systems, leaving our walls completely down during the transition.